Now is the first day of the year. So, ayan. si Sir Nagwid, he's waiting for, what's that, the parents of Ellen. Oh, while they are eating, oh, you see, yun na si Sisi, oh. Nag-military, ano. Oh. The first day of November. Oh, no, January. It's January 5. Oh, ayan. Ayun na. School bazaar naman ang mag-waiting because maybe the parents of Ellen is not around at home. So she bring her up in their 6th floor. Ay, naku talaga naman. Oh, ayan si Sisi. And I make what's that? I make again to make a video in his uniform that he wear. Okay. Ayan, is coming. Huli na bahay. Hi, hello.
Why your hair like this?
I make because it's my hair. It's go in my face, in my eyes. So that's why.
Mama trettiert.
Sisi, wow, nice. Sisi, where is your uniform? Where is your
Makeup?
No, not makeup. The yellow one. Where did you put?
Here.
No, there is.
This one?
Not that one. Where is your head? This one. Celine, this one you didn't use this one, Celine? This one
is over here.
Okay. And then you remove only? Yeah. Okay. Nela. Okay. You want to change na? Yeah, okay. You don't want to see your mommy? Your uniform? Huh? Oi. Try to see your mama that you are wearing that one. Oh, you see, you are very beautiful. Oh, look, his hair very nice. Wow, Guli, hi. Guli, hello. She just come from the school. And Guli, bye-bye. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again to subscribe me. Thank you for everything that you support in my YouTube channel. Thank you that I stay here because si Sisi nag-open na ng iPad. And then shout out to all nationwide and world. Because your iPad kasi is what's that? It's volume. Yela, Guli na bye.